All right, let's go ahead and start off in this case, guys, with the next one. And we're actually going to be locating new points based on the direction that's given to us. So let's go ahead and start off in this case, guys, with A, which is point N is located at -13, and point O and P are 7 units away from point N. Now, on these ones here, guys, I am not going to be showing a number line. We are going to be working on it numerically, right, algebraically here. So let's go ahead and start off in this case, guys. First things first, the information they're telling us is that N is located at -13, which means N is equal to -13. Now, there are other 2 points that we want to go ahead and locate. It's point O and point P. Now, they are telling us in this case, guys, that each of those points is 7 units away from N, which is -13. So, in order for us, let's say O, in this case, guys, let's say O is on the left. And if O is on the left, then I know in this case, guys, that I would do N, whatever N is, and we know it's -13, minus a 7 because it's on the left. On point P, we're going to say that it's on the right side. So then I have P, where I would get the direction of N, which is -13, and I'm going to go ahead and add 7 to it. So once again, it says it's on... it's 7 units away from point P, both of them, which means one's on the left, one's on the right. Left in this case, guys, would represent the negative, right would represent a positive. So let's go ahead and substitute that, guys. So I have O is equal to a -13 minus a 7. Notice in this case, guys, both of these integers are the same sign. So we're going to go ahead and add them and keep the sign. So O in this case, guys, is actually located at -20. -20. All right. Now, point P in this case, guys, same idea. I have -13, but now plus 7. -13 plus 7 in this case, guys, would actually subtract, and you keep the sign of the bigger number, right? Meaning, if we ignore the sign or the absolute value of it, in this case, guys, it'd be 13. So that would be a -6. So O is at -20 and P is at -6 based on the information they give us here. Let's go ahead and check out the next one, guys. Here's the next one. And on the next one, in this case, guys, I have point M is located at -13. And point N is 3 less than point M. Keep in mind, guys, less than is our key word here, less than. Now, if it's less than in this case, guys, it's telling us that it's smaller. Let's do that again. It's telling us in this case, guys, that it's smaller. And if it's smaller, it's probably going to the left. Not probably. It is. And that also means that it's negative. So let's go ahead and show that in this case, guys. So they're telling us the information here, guys. They're telling us that M is located at -13, which means M is -13. Now I want to go ahead and find N. And the only way for us to do that in this case, guys, is to grab M and do 3 less than M in this case, guys. 3 less than that. So then that should give us, in this case, guys, going to the left 3 units, and that's why it's negative here. So if it's less than, let's go ahead and do that here. That's going to give me N is equal to a -13 minus a 3. And if we work that out in this case, guys, we actually have N to be equal to a -16. So our answer in this case, guys, is -16. All right, keyword there, guys, was less than, which means I had to subtract 3 from my original location, original point. Let's take a look at the last one, guys, last one here. And we have point L in this case, guys, is located at -3. All right, so they're telling me in this case, guys, L is equal to -3. They're also telling me that I have point M, which is 2 units greater than. Keyword, guys, is greater than. All right, so if it's greater than, in this case, guys, it's telling us that it's bigger. And if it's bigger in this case, guys, it's probably going to be going to the right, which is going to represent a positive number. So if I want to go ahead and find point M, I have to be adding whatever units in this case, guys, it's away from it to L. So M, in this case, guys, is equal to L plus a 2. So then that's going to give me a negative 3 because L, we said, is negative 3. So let's go ahead and substitute that, plus 2. And negative 3 plus 2 would actually give me a negative 1. So our answer in this case, guys, is negative 1.